procedure. We've got Tash here on the table. Going to do a little bit of front of shoulder and pec treatment for Tash. She had some work done the other day with Jack just to free up her pec before she goes in and has a little procedure. She's going to get a pacemaker battery change, is that right?
Exactly.
Yeah, so she was sort of worried about being a bit stiff and sore, and so wanted to do a bit of pre-work, but now feels a bit imbalanced, if that's the right word. So we've got to balance her up. So come over here, Leo. I'm going to go into the front of the delt here. So what I like doing is just getting my hand in here and connecting in with those attachments. So the front delt and the bicep tendon. So you can kind of get in here. Yeah. And get in there and work it. So just by pinning there, like just staying here and being patient, letting it sink in. Often you don't have to be doing anything fancy, just holding space for somebody is what the body needs in order to kind of calm down and relax, calm the nervous system down in these kind of areas. So yeah, how you feeling? It's intense.
Yeah, it's already.
Yeah.
Got some spots.
Yeah. Quite often just holding these kind of broader kind of things, and we can make them sharper by angling that pisiform, which is under my hand there on the outside in line with the little finger. That can really dig in and work into the nooks and crannies where stuff can be residing. So yeah, I'm just going to hold that. Work.
There's a lot like coming into that area, isn't there?
Yeah.
Attaching on.
Yeah. Yeah, there's so many people in the world have got problems in this area, in the front of their shoulders, the front deltoid. A lot of computer work, a lot of driving. A lot of people aren't doing the pulling motions that we do. We're always forward like that. So you can get an imbalance and kind of build up in the front here, and treatment can really help restore function and get relief of a lot of pain. Yeah, a lot of times we don't realise just how tight we are in the front of our body, and you get real awareness when you get treatment done. So encourage everyone to get Bodywork done. It's myofascial release is such a important part of everyone's life these days. Like it's not there's so much stress going on in the world or inactivity. People aren't moving, so you can get the body moving better, flowing better by getting some good deep tissue treatment done. And also what we really like is the relationship, the connection with a person, a human. You can have a chat with, it's a safe bubble. We're too much on screens these days, so get in the real world, go and have some interactions with real people, and that's where the gold is. The richness of life is in interpersonal interactions. It's not over a screen. So I know it's a bit ironic that you're watching a screen right now, but get out in the real world. Come in and see us. Come and have a chat with us. We're happy to have a chat and do the best body work in the world. So
especially for us therapists, I think it's good to get this treatment done.
Yeah, we kind of have a real realisation of our own body for one, but what it's like to receive it, and then what it's like to pull up afterwards, and recover and things. So it is a really important thing. So I'm just going to change now. Like there's a good spot just there, but we're going to move on. So I'm going to jump in front of you, Leo. And so what I'm going to do, I want to go down along that collarbone there. Leo's jumping up on the table. He's a ninja. That's why we hide him. Ninja warrior. So I'm just going to, you all right?
Yeah.
Just go along there.
It's good.
So you can see nice and broad and just really work that out slow. Just try and really get all those tissues that are kind of coming over that collarbone, in underneath that ridge there, can get caught. And I'm also, through the middle of my hand, I'm pushing through that pec to try and loosen it up, where it gets tight from being forward all the time. So I'm pushing it up.
That's awesome.
Feels alright.
Yeah. There's no other way to get in and release this area like that, is there?
Yeah.
It's very hard to do on your own.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. You can't get those angles.
Yeah.
We had to go and fix it yourself.
Yeah.
But it's, it's only if you can't get somebody to help you out, you kind of do this kind of work. It's the best.
That's great.
Yeah, nice and slow. Like it's massage tools are different to a human.
Yeah.
You know, we can feel different temperatures and all these different energies even, like you can feel heat and things that are coming out of things, so the tool doesn't feel that, so and it's just sort of, there's something special that when two people are working together for a common outcome, you know, to free things up, to explore and things like that, it's a really different thing. So I'm kind of go down there a little bit along the sternum. I forgot the name of that bone. Yeah, but it's got little attachments onto there, and you kind of just push in and work it out.
Yeah. There's always so much on there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Anyway,
that's great.
So there's a little treatment to fix up this part of your body.
Thanks so much, Niz.
Yeah. So make sure you don't forget the pecs and the anterior delt. There might be, even if you're not aware of it, there might be some real hidden gems in there that can really make a difference in your life. Get rid of pain, but also improve your function.
Definitely. Feels good.
Yeah. Done.